Okay, this is 13590 88th Street Avenue in Seminole, Florida. So right here's where we found the problem. So right here, oh, 1 second please, and I'm gonna pull this back just a little bit. See how the camera drops? Boom, drops right there. They didn't get the PVC and the cast lined up. So if I pull back a little bit more, right there. So right here is here's your goof up right here. And you can tell by, see the dirty sides? Wherever you got like dirty sides like that, that's usually where your backup starts all the time. And you can see it here. So come back. And oh, this pipe looks good. It's got a good downfall on it. And this just comes back right back out the roof vent. Pipe's all clean. And here it is, roof vent, backyard. Thanks for watching.